I have another wig slay for you guys, and I'm loving this wig. I am loving this color. I'm not gonna do so much right now, okay? So if you're new, make sure you subscribe, girl. I'm the hair plug, and you saw the title. This wig is only $20, and I know you gagged when you saw that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, be a part of the notification gang, click that bell, and like this video, and comment down below your feedback, how you like this wig, girl. What's your stripper name if you ever get this wig? Comment down below. See how I slayed this wig. Stay tuned. Welcome, darling. My name is Annabelle, and welcome to my channel. I'm giving you very bold lip, very bougie, very sexy. And guess what wig I'm gonna be slaying today? It's a gorgeous red wig I bought with my own coin, and let's just say it is the best thing I purchased this year, okay? So as you can see, here she is, and we're about to put her on. Let's go. So with this wig, I'm giving you very Humpty Dumpty what is on the top of my head. I had a big fall. I'm gonna be taking the Lotta Botsy mousse, and that's my favorite, you already know. And we're just gonna be laying the top of this hair down. I don't know about y'all guys, but these curls are making me cringe, and I just want to brush these out. Let's see what we got here. Look at this compared to this, honey. Like, who really wearing this? Who is wearing this? Okay, now all these curls are brushed out, and it's time to put some powder up in this part. As you can see, the part actually looks pretty good. I have my new cap under, honey, but you know, my new cap ain't enough, and we need to get this part going. So I'm actually going to be taking some liquid foundation into the part, just because I don't have any powder foundation. And the liquid foundation I'm going to be using is my Clinique foundation. It is the Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer. And basically it's a foundation for sensitive skin, and it also helps you know, make your skin look popping. Ooh, booty girl. And I'll just put that in there. I don't know about y'all, but I am dying to do baby hair, so let's get to it. I'm gonna be using some regular schmegler edge control. Is the edge booster in the color pink. I use this edge control for my natural hair, but we're gonna have to use this for my wig because I don't got no more got to be glued. Now it is time to take your edge wax stick, and honey, this is important because you do. This stick is called Carry Styling Wax Stick. I love this. So we just gonna push her up and, you know, just pat her on, because we want this wig to lay flatter than your mama's back, flatter than a pancake, flatter than that girl who been talking shit about you butt, okay? Flat just like her butt. Hallelujah. So as you can see, baby, I'm giving you fresh sewing vibes, girl, already. And this is really so much easier than using a hot comb. Like, literally tames away the flyaways, and girl. So now it's time to lay down our hair. We about to lay our wig down. Rest in peace, girl. You about to get laid and slayed. How my scarf matches my hair. Like, this was not even planned. And my stripper name is Berry Black. Wait till my hair get laid, guys. Like, this can be a look too. Like, I can just pop up like, you want to fight? Let's say a prayer for your wig, because she's about to be snatched. Let's just say a prayer. please, Lord, don't make your wig fall off. Make her stay touched. Make her stay glued to your edges, to your hairline, to your forehead. And let's get ready to reveal this wig. The wig is all the way customized, and I am so in love with how it came out. This looks so gorgeous, guys. Like, this is a transformation for real, okay? If y'all see how that wig was looking like spaghetti, that wig was giving you spaghetti curls in the beginning. It was like, girl, what is this? What are we doing? Wig's not about to look like that. Giving you very sexy red wine realness, baby. This wig is from Jenna Collection. I tell y'all, when I get wigs with my own money, so I bought this wig with my own money because, listen, I'm trying to do some consistent wig videos for y'all. And you know, sometimes the companies don't be hitting me up on time and send me my wigs on time. So go out and make some wig videos for you guys myself. Like, I can just go buy some wigs and review it for you guys myself. Let me tell y'all guys, Jenna Collection, they always have good wigs. Like, it's just like never like any bad quality. And this is a very nice quality wig. And don't worry, baby, we're about to get into the details. This is a deep part lace wig, and so you will get about almost 5 to 6 inches of parting. You literally get a lot of parting. That's the first thing I noticed on this wig, and the hairline I noticed on this wig. I was like, girl, I gotta get this. First, I was gonna get it was a wig like this, but it didn't have dark roots. Kind of glad I didn't get it, because the dark roots actually just contrast the hair so much better, and it just brings the hair so much life to my skin tone. Got this wig in the color OET 1B Burgundy, so it's like a very nice ombre red wine. If you're scared of color, girl, get this wig because she is not bright whatsoever. It's like, she's a very noticeable color, not like a bright color where it's like, oh, she's bright and she will look great on melanin skin, look great on any skin, okay? This is premium synthetic fiber hair. You can always put heat to a synthetic wig, but up to probably like 130 degrees is the most I would literally use, just because I don't want to mess up the wig, and anything higher than that hair is going to be sizzling, baby. On fire. No. Everything was going good until like I put the wig on. I was struggling, okay? I was struggling. I'm like, girl, please tell me that this wig can fit my head. Get the wig. Adjustable straps will be adjusted already, and is adjusted to the smallest size. And what happened with me, you know, I'm kind of slow, kind of cuckoo, kind of woo-coo. I couldn't like fix adjustable straps, so I just cut it off, and that just made the wig stretch even more. But like, yeah, they put the adjustable straps to like the smallest size ever, and it's like, girl, what? No, we got my head bigger than that, okay? I got a brass doll head. It has 2 combs on the side. There's 1 comb in the nape area. Hallelujah, glory to ya. I just love the curls. The curls are not uniform. Like, it's not like uniform to where, oh, if you brush it too much, it's gonna look all over the place. Like, it's just like a very messy curl, but still sexy and still cute and still put together. Loving these curls, looking like fresh flexi rods curled. As far as tangling, no tangling whatsoever. So far, so good. Shedding, minimum shedding with this wig. I believe that this wig will last, okay? And I will definitely keep you guys updated. But I think this wig will last, because I had a lot of synthetic wigs, had a lot of human hair blend wigs, and I know a good one. It's just like, when you've been experienced with wigs, once you feel a type of wig, you can know how long it's gonna last you. Like, it's gonna last me 2 weeks, this is gonna last me a day, this is gonna last me a month. Definitely love this, guys. Like, this is a super fun wig, and it's only $20, girl. So I got this from the beauty supply store. Guess how much it was? It was $42, but the man was like, oh, it's a 25% off for you, my friend. I'm like, okay. So it came up to like $35. Like, oh, okay, whatever. But $10 difference in store. You can look for it in your local beauty supply store, but let me tell you the tea, honey. These beauty supply stores be charging extra, and I guess that's how they get their profit. You know, that's business. But get this wig, girl. It's only $20. Like, it was so easy to put on, and there's many synthetic wigs out there that cost $60, $50, $40, and they don't have 6 inches apart, and they don't have a good hairline. They don't have a lot of color options. Their hair is just not good quality. You're getting all the good specs. You're getting good parting. You're getting a good hairline. You're getting good quality hair. Decent length also. This length is probably like 20 inches. Comes up about to here. But you're getting all those good specs for $20. And all these other wigs charge you all this money. And it's just not even worth it. Like, girl, I'm giving you... I colored this hair by myself kind of vibes. Like, all girls love a red wig. Like, I don't care what nobody said. All girls love a nice red wig. It's just so pretty and it's very different, and it gives you, it makes you just feel sexy, make you feel free, make you want to get a man and put it down like Chris Brown. A lot of good specs for a very low price. $20, you cannot beat that, girl. I love to go out, buy some affordable wigs. Like, I know how to pick a good wig. I know a good wig when I see it. I was like, this wig is good. I gotta put my doll babies onto this wig, and that's what I did. Shoot this wig, it's only $20. Go slay, take somebody bae, take somebody husband, take somebody grandma. I don't even care. Density, girl, the hair density, I would say is about 150%. So I'm gonna just turn to the back for you guys. So let's just see how much hair I still got in the back. Like, this hair is super full. Like, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Like, it is shake test approved, honey. This wig will be blowing in the wind while the other girl's hair be stuck in the wind, stiffer than paper. I'll sell this wig for like 5% off or 10% off. Or I might just keep it for myself, girl. I don't know. I got a lot of wigs. I got to think bad, but I'll let y'all know if I feel it or not. Zoom into this texture. The hair texture is giving you human hair vibes. She doesn't have no shine to it whatsoever. It literally feels like virgin hair. Like, the hair texture is so good. It's definitely like a light yaki hair texture. It's a closure wig. I found this wig during Valentine's Day. Listen, Valentine's Day or not, girl, listen, this wig is fire. If you have any more questions, make sure to comment down below and I will answer that for you. And let's get to 20K. I'm trying to get 20K for my 20th birthday. I turned 20 in May, guys. Like, I'm so excited. May 19. I'm trying to post as much videos as I can. Listen, girl, I need that AdSense check to be looking healthy, okay? Comment down below what other colors you want to see, what other videos you want to see, girl. Don't be shy. Like, y'all be shy. You don't gotta be shy, girl. You don't gotta be shy with me. Go get you this wig and slay and look beautiful. And you wigs on a budget. As I said, I'm the hair plug, giving you wigs on a budget. This wig is $20, girl. Go get you some lip gloss. That costs $1. Go get you an outfit from Forever 21. That probably costs $30. And girl, you look good under $100. And listen, you ain't gotta spend coin to look good, okay, girl? Because people that even spend all that coin look bad, all right? Like, you gotta buy expensive hair to look good, okay? It's all how you wear it and interpret it, okay? I love you, doll babies, all so much, and slay until your edges fall off.